In this section, we will learn how to use a horizontal curvature diagram to create the individual elements that will make up our horizontal regression alignment. This tool creates a single horizontal geometry element that is a best fit to a set of regression points. Best fit means that the orthogonal projection from the element to the regression point is minimized. This tool generates either linear or circular elements. The length of the element will be all regression data that can be projected orthogonally onto the element. This tool can work both on the plan view, which is the regression line, or on the horizontal curvature view, which is the horizontal curvature diagram. While it is possible to create a geometry in parts using both the regression line and the curvature line, when you switch from one view to the other, the tool should be restarted. This tool creates a regression rule between the created geometry line and the regression line. This link allows dynamic regression analysis, that is changing the points used in the analysis of that element. Depending on where you use the regression tool, either on plan or curvature diagram, you can modify the regression as follows. If you use the diagram to create the elements, you can use the manipulators on the regression box for that element. You can also view updated slews, standard errors via the property values of the particular element. Right, from the ribbon menu, we're going to go to the rail tools and we're going to go to horizontal regression, and we're going to use the pull down and select single horizontal regression. And we're prompted to select either the regression line in the plan view or the curvature line. I'm going to select the curvature line. On the dialog box at the top, the geometry is set to automatic. Automatic means the software is going to decide what type of element is going to be generated. You can choose line if you think the regression points in the horizontal curvature diagram represent a line, or if you think they represent an arc, you can choose the arc option. We're going to use automatic. The feature definition we're going to leave as John baseline, and with name prefix we'll just leave the name prefix as John BL for the particular elements. When we select the points in the diagram, we will get on the horizontal curvature diagram box here a maximum slew and our standard error. And the maximum slew displays the offset of the point that is furthest away from the created element. The standard error displays the standard error of the regression analysis. The standard error of the regression provides the measure of the typical distance that the data falls from the regression line, representing how tightly the element fits to the regression data. Values close to zero indicate a tight fit. Now, you don't have to select the whole length of the option that you think represents a line or a curve.